In this video we will learn that cos is even function and sine is odd function. That means let's say we say cos is the name of a function, right? So cos minus theta, because it's an even function, so cos is even function. So what will be our result?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. So I'm using these brackets, but you don't have to use the bracket. These brackets are optional in this case, right? So similarly, our sine is odd function. So in case of sine, we can say that sine minus theta will be equals to what?
Sine minus theta.
No.
Sine theta.
No.
Minus sine theta.
Yes. Minus sine theta. So let's quickly draw our unit circle and verify this definition for some values of sine theta and cos theta, right? So let's draw our unit circle quickly. This is our unit circle. I have to find a midpoint of that circle, which I usually fail to find. So I assume this will be around midpoint of this circle, right? And then I have my x-axis and y-axis here. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and because it's a unit circle, so his radius is equals to what?
1.
1. So radius is equals to 1. That means, and this is our origin. This point is 0, 0. So what is this point is going to be?
0.
X is, so what is x?
1.
1. So 1, and what is y here?
0.
0. Similarly, what is this point is going to be? What will be x here?
X here 0.
0, and y?
1.
1. Now you can quickly find these 2 points by just changing the sign of these points, because these are opposite. So what will be point here will be 0, minus 0 is also equal to 0, and this is minus 1. So this is going to be 0 and minus 1. What is this point here? Because here was 1, so it is going to be minus 1. Minus 0 is equal to 0, so 0. So we have drawn this point and this point and this point and this point. So let's start with the value of cos minus 90. We have to see if cos minus 90 is same as minus cos what? 90. So because this is our 90 degree, right? From here, this is our 90 degree, and we know that for unit circle, our value of x is cos, our value of y is sine. So here, yes.
Where did minus come from before cos?
So this is the so yeah, you are right. This is wrong because this was even function. So here should be like cos minus 90 is equals to cos 90, not minus 90. So let's see. First we have to find cos 90. Cos 90 is here, right? So this is our 90 degree. So what is the value of x at plus 90?
0.
So it's going to be 0. So that means cos 90 is equals to 0. Now we have to say what is cos minus 90. For minus 90 we will go towards anti-clockwise direction. So we go towards clockwise direction. This is our minus 90. So we come at this point. This is our minus 90. And what is the value of x at minus 90?
0.
0. So you see that because it was an even function, so cos minus 90 is equals to cos 90. Now continue the same example for sine. So let's see what's the value of if sine minus 90 is same as minus sine 90. If this equality hold, then that means sine must be odd function, right? So what is sine minus 90? We go this direction. At this point, what is the value of y?
Minus 1.
So it's minus 1. Now minus, and we have to write what is the value of sine 90 here. So at 90 is this direction, 1. So from this we find out that minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So sine is indeed an odd function. Make sense?
Yeah.
So similarly we can say what's the value of sine minus 3000, right? So what's the value of sine minus 3000? We will learn in the next video how to find these large values. But let's say whatever the value of the sine minus 3000 will be is equals to what?
Sine 3000.
No, because it's not an even function, it's an odd function.
Minus sine 3000.
Minus sine 3000, very good. And similarly, if you want to find value of cos minus 100,000 degree, so it's 100,000 degrees.
Will be cos 1000. Then
Cos 100,000, so it will be equals to cos 100,000 degrees. And if you don't know how to find such a large theta's values, then see our next video. So stay tuned.